Just getting started. The night is young. What do you want? I won't stop. Nah, not even if you say so. I'm going deep, all the way in. Yeah, I won't stop. Like I said before, you're in it. The night's in store. What it holds is something that you never know. So let's quit it, don't stop. No, you're dripping like raindrops. Popping, I will. She don't wanna stop it, but we will. You feel me? I'm ill than in me. Something that's been all up in her. Something, oh my God, give me something, cause I'm off of something. Did I say that many times? Cause I did it that many times. Yeah, she screamed that many times. Loud, so loud, like my weed. But when can I please just pray? Cause I really can't stop. As much as she's so wet like raindrops. And drops, sweat like raindrops. Drops, sweat like raindrops. Just she's so wet like raindrops. So I just won't stop. I'll keep going on and on and on and on and on. I'll keep going on and on and on and on and on. Whoa, wait up, stop. The clock is ticking, but she just says lick me, and I just do it accordingly. Yep, I'm all in the folds, all in the creases. Yeah, I'm just licking it. It's getting so greasy. What greasy's what they call me. I'm in there, no stalling, getting straight to the point, entering my point. Yeah, the way we gon' roll is like we off a joint. Yeah, the way I'm gon' fold is like I'm so all on the way. How we get it back out, won't stop. Cause I said she's like raindrops, so wet like raindrops. You know that's right, yeah, it's so lost. Yeah, I'm so lost in her sauce. Yeah, in her sauce. Oh, yeah. Raindrops. Oh, yeah. Her raindrops. Hold up. Hold up. On and on, and on and on, and on and on. Won't stop, no. Man, how could I?